Hey everyone, this is Amber Simmons from ambersimmons.com, and this is another installment of Cricut Design Space 101. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be talking about the contour feature. The contour feature can be found all the way down here in the right hand corner on the bottom. This is a really cool feature that I personally don't utilize enough, but it is really helpful for customizing images and designs. So let's find an image to contour. So I am going to do these lips because say I want to put lips on something, but I don't necessarily want all of this white or blank space to be on my lips. I just want the solid lips. Neither of these layers on the right hand side are going to give me that. Because if I use them, I don't get the line of the two lips for either of these. So in order to get rid of these white spaces, we are going to contour. So let's go to the right hand corner and click contour. And now it pulls this up where we can hide individual contours. So each of these right here corresponds to one of these pieces. We can hide all the contours, and it leaves one typically, and that is our bottom lip right here. We can go through and find the top lip and put that one back as well, and you can see that we've hidden all of the shine and all of the blank space. And so you can cut it like this without cutting all the little holes in it. Or you can just put a few of them or change it however you need the image to be. It's a great feature for customizing. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, including my other Cricut Design Space 101 videos. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.